Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin now by creaming butter and sugar so the dough traps air. This gives light, tender biscuits. Once the mixture is smooth, beat in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla because the egg binds and the vanilla brightens flavor. Meanwhile, sift 200 grams of flour with 1/2 teaspoon baking soda and a pinch of salt to ensure even rise and no lumps. Make sure to reserve the chocolate for later. You want texture contrast, so mix dry and wet only until combined. Now you chop chocolate into 1/2 to 1 centimeter chips and intentionally save a few larger chunks for melty pockets. This changes mouthfeel. Once done, fold the chips into dough gently because overmixing develops gluten and makes biscuits tough. Use a spatula and turn the bowl. After mixing, portion 30-gram dough balls and roll lightly. This controls bake time and uniformity. Place them 3 to 4 centimeters apart on the lined tray so heat circulates evenly. You bake the biscuits for 10 to 12 minutes at 175 degrees C. Edges should turn golden while centers remain slightly soft because they firm as they cool. Once out, cool for 5 minutes on the tray so structure sets, then move to a rack to finish. This prevents sogginess. If things go wrong, say the cookies spread too thin, chill the dough for 30 minutes before baking to solidify fat. Conversely, if centers are underbaked, return them for 2 to 3 minutes and monitor closely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.